Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Behind me here is my brand new American-made Telecaster sandblasted Daphne Blue. Imagine that. My very first American Fender of any kind. I've owned Stratocasters, Japanese and Indonesian made Strats and Tellies, but this is my first ever American-made Fender, and I'm super excited to give you this unboxing here and open it up for you, and let's take a look and see what it looks like, because I'm sure it's going to be a lot more beautiful than this horrible March gloomy day that we're having right now. So, all right, let's check it out. Okay, so my cat has decided to join me in this unboxing like she always does. And I don't blame her, it's exciting. So let's check it out. She just had surgery on her belly, so don't mind her little bald spot there. One more piece of tape. Alright. Bust her out here. Okay, so a piece of foam. And then we got the Fender bag that it comes in. Dun, da, da, da. All right, so here's the bag. It's kind of clunky. I wouldn't say it's the best gig bag I've ever had in my entire life. Cool little pick zipper there, though. So let's get down to the matter at hand here and check out this beautiful Telecaster. Peekaboo. My goodness. Wow. Oh, and it feels really cool. Some paperwork. Look at that knot. My goodness. All right, let's get this sucker out so we can take a better look. Okay, here she is in all her glory. Wow, it's even better than the pictures that they sent me. I got this at Sweetwater. This is a Sweetwater exclusive, actually. Only sold on their website. American Performer Telly sandblasted in Daphne Blue. Nice juicy smooth frets. And for those of you that are curious on how it feels like almost like a high quality, I don't even know how to describe it, like something you'd it's hard to describe. It's you can feel the grain in the wood. I guess the sandblasting probably has a lot to do with that, but then it's like sanded down so it's smooth. It's not rough to the touch. Wow, it's gorgeous. And I was debating on this knot he gave me a couple of choices to pick from, and some of them were like a two-piece body where they had a seam down the middle and they were glued together, and I was like, I don't like that. And this seems to be a whole solid piece of wood. Let's turn her around. Oh my gosh. There we got some imperfection right there from the wood, but that's kind of cool looking if you ask me. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the neck here. Wow. Fantastic. Yeah, it's smooth. It's durable too. I thought it would be either something that would dent really easy or crack or chip really easy, but no, this is a solid finish to it for sure. Just gorgeous. Like I said, I was debating on getting the one with a knot here, and there was other ones with like a lot more plain wood grain design, and I was like, the salesman actually talked me into it, and I'm glad I listened to him because that's very unique. I'm not gonna see many of those, that's for sure. You can actually feel it. Wow. Oh, here comes a cat. All right. So there you have it. The American Performer Telecaster, sandblasted in Daphne blue. Next up, we'll plug her into a Fender GT100. Put her on a nice country setting and give her a test drive. All right, we'll be right back. Hey everybody. All right, got it plugged in, ready to go. Got myself a rockabilly channel selected on the GT100 to give us a little twang, a little echo, a little reverb. So let's check out how it sounds here. That's pretty awesome. Oh man. I'm used to playing an archtop, a jazz archtop, because I play a lot of jazz. So it's nice to be able to bend strings again. A little chicken picking. There's a little Johnny Marr tremolo setting. This is the bridge pickup, by the way. Full tone, 13th chords, a little bit of tremolo, spring reverb, and a 65 twin amp model. Here we have it on a 65 twin amp model with spring reverb, just a clean tone, with the neck lipstick pickup. Just really nice sounding. Wow, it's just buttery. Okay, here we go with the lipstick pickup setting. Just a smidge below full on the tone, full volume. Nice meaty, clean sound. Little metal